I was born and raised in Boise, Idaho, and I've lived here for 55 years. I started in this business in 1977 when I was 14 years old and learned a lot about the Chevron brand, the history of Chevron and Standard Oil, and how we took care of the consumer at a full serve standpoint where we pumped all their fuel, checked their oil, checked their tires, to today's world where everything is self-serve. We decided to build one new prototype location that is on 5.5 acres and offer the consumer multiple offerings on one piece of real estate. We have a 12,000 square foot convenience store. We have Chevron branded fuel with 24 fueling positions. We have a Chevron Havoline Express Lube 6-bay, and we are now offering a double tunnel car wash. Our expectation of this new facility is to serve between 3,000 and 5,000 customers a day. We vision when the Havoline Express Lube gets to its top tier that we will handle between 70 and 100 customers a day. The Quick Lube serves as an important role for the consumer to be able to come to one facility and not only be able to get their car taken care of on the lube side, but be able to get a car wash, their fuel, and other daily needs. We are very family-oriented, not only from our employees, but our immediate family. My wife handles all of our HR for the business. My son runs our existing convenience store. And then my son's wife is now involved in the business, handling most of our marketing and social media. We have a lot of employees, and at this site, we'll have right at 100 employees. We probably have the lowest turnover in the industry, mostly due to it's a family operation. We're involved with them personally, we're involved in their lives. I think our biggest challenge today is continuing to empower our employees to deliver the customer service that we believe the consumer expects from us as a brand. And we have to continue to train over and over again that that is the expectation to be part of Fast Eddy's and the Chevron brand. I think what differentiates us from our competitors is the quality of the offering, the quality of our employees, the way we take care of our facilities. And I really believe the consumer appreciates coming to a facility where they feel comfortable, they feel safe, and they can tell we care. We execute the customer service philosophy by the example that we set, me and my family. I think we always show how we take care of the customer, how we take care of the facility, from picking up a piece of trash in the parking lot, that we're not afraid to do anything. And the employees understand that that is very valuable to not only us, but to the customer. Our business is 80% return customers. We get 20% new customers, and most of that's due to people hearing about what we do and coming to check out the services that we offer. Most of our marketing and advertising is done by word of mouth. We try to offer something different to the consumer to where they feel appreciated and they tell others. The advertising model has changed with social media. And what is neat about it is the consumers that love us and come to us answer those posts and put comments about us where that reaches their friends and their closest friends. And I believe those people do want to maybe get part of what we're offering and come see what it's all about. I've been involved with Chevron for over 40 years. Chevron Havoline is considered the best of the best. Because I believe in what Chevron has done in their heritage of their brand and Havoline being part of it, I just trust those products for the customer. Chevron Havoline, in my mind, stands for first-class quality. There's nothing better.